case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Nebraska Supreme Court found itself embroiled in a dispute over employment relationships in the 1997 case, Kime v. Hobbs. Central to the case was the question of liability and whether the employer of an independent contractor should be held accountable for the contractor's actions, a point of contention that typically hinges on how much control the employer exerts over the worker's tasks. This complex question arose from a tragic accident. A tractor livestock trailer, driven by Yelly while transporting cattle for Hobbs, collided with another vehicle. This accident led to the grievous injury of Joan Kime, causing her permanent paralysis, and to the heartbreaking demise of Betty Sullivan. Yelly was considered an independent contractor due to owning his own equipment, having a pay-by-job agreement, and possessing the freedom to accept or reject tasks. These factors suggested independence and very limited control from Hobbs, which was under discussion. However, the lower court's judgment favored Hobbs, determining that he was not negligent in hiring Yelly and should therefore not be held liable. Siding with this previous judgment, the Supreme Court upheld that Yelly was indeed an independent contractor. Moreover, the judges emphasized the nature of the work, ruling that transporting cattle under normal conditions was not inherently dangerous, thus not obligating Hobbs to ensure non-negligent transportation. Kime contested this decision, but the judges remained firm, agreeing with Hobbs's motion to conclude the case without proceeding to a trial. Citing solid legal reasoning, the court pronounced its final judgment, drawing the curtains on this case with a decision that cemented the boundary between employers and independent contractors.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.